Hey guys, it's Bobby here from Chiro H3 Lower North Shore. And today we're going to talk about what is something that you can do on your own at home if you're suffering from headaches. What's something that we can do immediately to try and get some relief, try and take some of that pressure away and just give us some temporary relief from those headaches. And I know one of the people's favorite exercises is what we call the rolled up towel. Now the rolled up towel, essentially we grab a towel, we line it, we put it underneath our neck, and it's going to distract and take pressure off that very delicate, important top section of our neck. So when you grab a towel at home, guys, get your towel, fold it in half like this. Now what you're going to do then is you're going to fold it in thirds. So 1/3 in, 1/3 here. Now the key with this is roll up your towel so it's firm. Should be nice and firm. It's going to have give in it because it's a towel. Roll it up. The amount that you roll up will be appropriate to your neck. So a bit of a more flexible neck, you have to roll it up bigger. A little bit of a less flexible neck, roll it up smaller. But we roll it up like this. Flick the towel and you'll hear like a nice plump sound when you flick the towel. Now what's going to happen is you put this on the floor and you're going to lie on the towel and position it in a really specific way where you can actually turn the towel in this direction, and what it will do is it will distract really nicely but gently, and it will distract and it will take the pressure of the top of your head off of your neck. Now play around with that position, but if you get the position right, and remember just roll the towel like that underneath the neck, you'll really find that it removes a lot of that stress in those top vital sections of the neck. And when it takes that pressure off the nerves, often we can start to get immediate relief from the headache. It's temporary, but does give us relief. So if you found this useful, try it at home, guys. Get a towel, roll it up, put it on the floor underneath our neck, and as you're about to lie on it, just torsion it up a little bit more so it distracts our head off of our neck. You'll be surprised at the relief that it gives you. So post below, guys, share this with your friends, or of course, if you've got questions, post them underneath and we'll make sure that we circle back and answer them all for you.